Good morning, my dear boys. How are you all? Today our topic name is time. Okay, we already learned a lot of questions regarding the time. Today we are going to learn about again time because tomorrow you have test about time and conversion. So, what is the first question? Look at the digital clock and write the time before 15 minutes. Before 15 minutes. So, look at here. What is the time here? It is 1:20. Okay, just check it the minutes only because before 15 minutes here. The question is what? Before 15 minutes. So, just look at the time here. It is 20 minutes. Okay, minutes only. So, before 15 minutes means 20 minus 15 is what? 5 minutes. So, it is what? Time is 1 5. Okay, the next one is what? It is 9:10. So 9:10 before 15 minutes, so that means 10 minutes before is 9 o'clock. Again 5 minutes back is 8:55. 8:55. Okay, you can just look at the analog clock, you understand. Otherwise we learn a lot of times analog clocks, there are a lot of questions. So like here 9:10, so before 10 minutes is 9 o'clock. Again go back to the 5 minutes back again, so it is 8:55. So remaining two questions you have to do it by yourself. Look at the digital clock and write the time after 10 minutes. Like here before 15 minutes. This the question is before 15 minutes. Now the question is after 10 minutes. So again you have to concentrate on the minutes only. So this is what? 7:30, 30 minutes. So 30 plus 10 is 40. So 7:40. Okay. So here is 10:50. That means after 5 minutes it's 10:55. Then it is 11 o'clock. Okay. So remaining two questions you have to do it by yourself. Now these are the two questions. By looking the digital clock, we write the before 15 minutes and write the after 10 minutes. Okay. So now look at the analog clock. Now look at the analog clock and write the time before 5 minutes. Before 5 minutes. So where is the hour hand or when is the minute hand? Because we have to focus the minute hand only. So minute hand at 6. Minute hand at 6. Just you have to come back one step backward. One step backward. So it is 25 minutes because 6 means it is 30. So if you have to check it only 25 minutes. Okay, it is what? 4:25. Check it, this is what? 4:25, 5 minutes back. So this is the question, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, now look at the next question is, look at the analog clock and write the time after 20 minutes. After 20 minutes. Okay, so now the time is 4:30. It's same like above time, but it is not after, not before, it should be after. After 20 minutes, that means from 6 to 7 is 5 minutes. 7 to 8, 7 to 8 is 5 minutes. Okay, if you check it here, this is the 6. From 6 to 7 is 5 minutes and 7 to 8 is 5 minutes. 8 to 9 is 5 minutes. 9 to 10 is 5 minutes. Total 20 minutes. That means 5, 10, 15, 20. That means the time is what? 4:50. You can try to do it by yourself. Now this is what? 8 5. 8 5. Check the number. Next one 8 5. So if you check it now, here is the 5. That means 1 to 2, 5 minutes. 2 to 3, 5 minutes. 3 to 4, 5 minutes. 4 to 5, 5 minutes. That means the answer is what? 8:25. So just remember, if it is after, you can add, just add. It is 8 5. 5 plus 20, how much? 25. You can do it like this way. Okay, now look at here, write down the time on these analog clocks. Just look at the time now and you have to write it. So first of all, where is the minute hand? Minute hand every time big, we already learned. So it is in place of 10. So in place of 10 means it is 50 minutes. It is 50 minutes, right? So where is the hour hand? It is near to 3, but I told you every time write the before number only, that is 2. That means 250. But whenever you want to write it in terms of words, it is 10 minutes to 3 because after 10 minutes it's going to 3 o'clock. So whenever the minute is more than 30, you can just subtract from 60. So 60 minus 50 is what? 10. So 10 minutes to 3. So similarly here it is what? Where is the minute hand? Minute hand at 2. Minute hand at 2. Okay, the minute hand at 2 means it is 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, and the where is our hand? It is just cross 5, that means 5:10. So this is the minute is less than 30. Whenever the less than 30, you no need to subtract from 60. So just 5:10 means 10 minutes past 5. 10 minutes past 5. Now coming to the next two questions, you can do it by yourself. Next one, write down the time shows on this digital clock now. Digital clocks. So that what is this one? 10:20. So 20 is what? It is less than 30. Whenever less than 30, no need to change. Just write it 20 minutes past 10. So remember, when the minute is 30 or less than 30, that means 30, if it is smaller than 30, you can write it past only. Okay, don't need to change the minute, don't need to change the hour. Whenever the minute is more than 30, then you have to subtract from 60. Subtract from 60. So 60 minus 35 how much? 25. So 25 minutes to, here is the 8 hour. That means change to the 8. Change 8 to 9. That means after 8 is 9 hour, 9 o'clock. So 25 minutes to 9. Okay, so remaining two questions you have to do it by yourself. That means your homework is what? Remaining question, try to do it by yourself. This is your homework. I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more questions, you can ask me the next class. Thank you.